Tesla stock down over 40% in the last 3 months. This one is one of the craziest stocks over the last number of years, super volatile. You can see here was under $50 on a share adjusted basis, skyrocketed all the way up to $400 a share, then went all the way down back to $100, skyrocketed again to $250. With the election, and given he was really close to Trump during the election, stock skyrocketed after the election win to over $400 a share. And then in the months after, with tariffs and some boycotts on Tesla, stocks just absolutely crashed, now back to $230 a share. In the last 3 months, as I was saying, down over 40%. This is for a company that had over $1 trillion valuation. So that 40% drop is hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars of value that have been taken off of Tesla's stock. We're seeing not only sentiment change on Tesla, but we also saw weaker than expected delivery numbers for Q1 and a lot of brand damage being reported in the press as well, with lots of protests going on at Tesla dealerships. So this is an interesting stock to continue to look at or just keep track of, given, everything they have going on and all the headwinds on the current business, but they're also making a lot of investments in robotics and other things like robo-taxis in the decades to come. So this is a very interesting story on just absolute risk appetite for the market on risk on versus risk off. Obviously today, the stock went down about 10% during the day and then another 1% in after hours. So a bit of a risk off move given the broader trend down in the market. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video for more. Thanks.